Hi there, this is Miss Jane from Miss Jane's Tutoring and Dyslexia Services. Today I wanted to do a brief video showing you something that might help when you're wearing a mask. This video is not about debating whether masks are useful, good, bad, whatever. Those of us who work with students have to wear them, so that's what this is about. So I decided to try mask brackets, and I've included associated links down below in the description. This is a dedicated kids bracket, and this is an adult one, and they basically just slip into whatever kind of mask you're wearing. The benefits I have found are you don't have the fabric touching your face, there's a lot more circulation space, and my students say they can hear me better. Now I did post a video earlier showing a mask that has an open mouth space. I have used those, but I have found I need to get some anti-fog in there. And in Arizona, it's still really hot. So that feels a little hotter, but I do use that. But this is another alternative, and I use this especially when I'm not even teaching because it creates so much more circulation. So I'll show you the kids one's a little different in this particular brand. It's got these little brackets actually, and like this to hold it down. So it will fit on any mask. I'll show you my daughter's. Obviously, it's not going to fit me, so you can see that it's got those little brackets there. And my students like it because they say they like how it holds down the mask away from their eyes. And of course, for me, it's only from here to here. So this definitely would not fit me or even a tween or teen. Definitely for kids. I did include a link below that has an option for small, medium, large. That might be better to use to assess teen or tweens might be medium. Show you the adult one. It goes with any mask. It doesn't have the little clips the way the kids ones do, but you don't need it. I just want to kind of stick the triangle part up, the narrow part. This is just a cloth mask or paper mask. Stick it on. This. I push down the wire. It just creates a lot more space. True confession, you might smell your breath. It's good feedback, right? My kids like to use these gator masks. And one little trick that we did, because I can't seem to find a size that fits me. The adults are too big and the kids are too small. So I took an adult one, and we did this for my son too. We took the wire out of one of these, just ripped it out, and put it in here and just use some glue and then just put the fabric over it. So now you've got this flexible gator mask. So I'll show you how the mask works with the bracket for this. It's going to get ugly for a second. Okay, so I'll find so if I just like this with the wire that we cut in, it stays up. Otherwise for me, this adult size would fall down, or I have to do this. Got some sort of little. But even with this, I find that happening, and it really bothers me. That's my dog. He wants in on the video. You can just slide this in like this. I just push the wire over it. Bam. So much more breathing area. It really improves the way it feels. Whatever mask you're wearing. My students say they can hear me better, and I know I can hear them better when I let them try it. These are washable. It's a soft silicone. Just hot water, soap, let it dry. Or even if you're in a situation, just put hand sanitizer on it if you've touched it and need it clean. But again, it just creates a lot more space for air to circulate under your mask. And I think it's a good option. I hope you are well, and have a great day.